Hello, I am Vani, and I am here to explain you about what is business marketing. Business marketing is a marketing practice of individuals or organizations, including commercial businesses, governments and institutions. It allows them to sell products or services to other companies or organizations that resell them, use them in their products or services, or use them to support their works. Product. Product refers to a good or service that a company offers to customers. Ideally, a product should fulfill an existing consumer demand. Price. Price is the cost consumers pay for a product. Marketers must link the price to the product's real and perceived value, but they also must consider supply costs, seasonal discounts, and competitors' prices. Place. When a company makes decisions regarding place, they are trying to determine where they should sell a product and how to deliver the product to the market. Promotion. Promotion includes advertising, public relations, and promotional strategy. The goal of promoting a product is to reveal to consumers why they need it and why they should pay a certain price for it. The rich arts and crafts of Nagaland portray the artistic caliber and creative imagination of the local craftsmen of the northeastern state of India. Nagaland has several small-scale cottage and medium-scale industries that produce fine products of the traditional art of the state. Nagaland is famous for producing excellent pieces of pots from mud. The pots of Nagaland are used for storing water. The metalwork is another industry that has flourished in the northeastern state. The unique weaving of Nagaland reflects the rich artistic skills and creative imagination of the local craftsmen who have inherited the art from their forefathers. The beautiful embroidery of Nagaland portrays the rich artistic caliber of the local craftsmen of the northeastern state of India. The Nagaland wood carvings are known for their elegant designs and excellent quality. Nagaland earns huge revenues from the wood carving industry of the state. Nagaland basketry can be used for a variety of purposes. Most of the local indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland know the art of making baskets from bamboo and cane. The traditional ornaments of Nagaland are worn by both men and women, especially during festive occasions. Cloth painting is a very popular form of painting of Nagaland. The mats of Nagaland are arranged with the local inhabitants as well as tourists. Cane works of Nagaland form an important part of the handicrafts of the state.
Hello. I am Simon D'Souza. And I am here to give you the further information about business marketing.
Some people think that handcraft materials from Nagaland are expensive. But it is cheap comparatively to the hard work put by artisans to make that. That is why it is priced a bit higher than machine-made goods, but it is very reasonable, and the products are durable too. Look at these beautiful creation. This is what people call expensive when it is already cheap according to the durability and hard work with which these were made.
Hello. I am Vanshika Rathod. I am here to tell you about importance of place for marketing. Place helps us to get more attention and seek more publicity, and since Nagaland is a tourist attraction, it is not wrong to say that sales in Nagaland is high because of its natural beauty too. The first thing that one can do is lots of shopping in the market. Apart from fresh items, you also get second-hand goods at really low price, especially winter garments. You can also plan a visit to nearby Kachri ruins, Kachri Naga people who have their very own culture, lifestyle and festivals.
Hello. I am Ronak and I am here to explain about role of promotion in marketing. Nagaland promotes bamboo processing as an enterprise, covering various applications such as food-based, medicinal usage, handicraft, art, tiles and flooring. Nagaland Bamboo Development Agency, NBDA, is the nodal office that coordinates with other offices for all bamboo-related research, development and business applications. Nagaland has a rich wealth of flora and fauna. Favorable climatic and geographical conditions in the state offer tremendous scope for floriculture. Nagaland has a suitable climate for agricultural and horticultural produce. It supports multiple crops viz., rice, maize, millet, gram, mustard, bean, sugarcane, rubber, tea, banana, pineapple, orange, jackfruit, pear, plum, passion fruit, lychee, mango, lemon, sweet lime, potato, sweet potato, tapioca, tomato, pea, chili, ginger, garlic, cardamom, etc. Linian Gemma. Nagaland tennis player Linian Gemma is also the brand ambassador of Nagaland.
Hello. I am Jay Kushwaha. And I am here to conclude the project. Points to remember. 1. Market. It refers to the set of potential and actual buyers of a product or service. 2. Customer. It refers to the people or organizations that seek satisfaction of their needs and wants. 3. Marketer or seller. The marketer can be a person or organization who make available the products or services and offer them to the customer with an intention of satisfying the customer needs and wants. 4. Marketing. It is a social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. 5. Features of marketing. Need and want. Creating a market offering. Customer value. Exchange mechanism. 6. Marketing management. It means management of all the activities related to marketing, or in other words we can say, it refers to planning, organizing, directing and controlling the activities which result in exchange of goods and services. Marketing management involves following activities. Choosing target market. Growing customers in target market. Creating superior value. 7. Difference between selling and marketing. The marketing and selling can be differentiated on the basis of scope, objective, focus, start and end, efforts, supremacy, approach, demand. 8. Marketing management philosophies. Production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, societal concept. 9. Objectives of marketing management. Creation of demand, market share, goodwill, profitable sales volume through customer satisfaction. 10. Functions of marketing. Gathering and analyzing market information, market planning, product designing and development, standardization and grading, packaging and labeling, branding, customer support services, pricing of products, promotion and selling, physical distribution, transportation, storage and warehousing. 11. Role of marketing. Role in firm. Role in the economy.